Signals beneath the surface. Detection logic. The signal.
Upload the file, let the decoder run. Signals appear where the rhythm's begun. Delta slow, gamma fast. Stories hidden in the past. The brain may whisper, not shout the sign. So we read the patterns beneath the line. The measurement. First we listen to the spectral sea, breaking waves by frequency. Welch divides the signal stream. Power bands reveal the scheme. Delta, theta, alpha rise. Beta sharp beneath the skies. Retios tell the deeper tale. When rhythms shift or systems fail. Peak of alpha drifting low. Posterior rhythms fading slow. Sometimes slowing marks the ground where hidden injuries are found. Signals beneath the surface flow. Some grow fast, some fade slow. Ratios, peaks, and spectral lines show the brain between the signs. The injury patterns. If delta rises where it should not be, or theta floods the frontal sea, the rhythm shifts to balance there. Slow waves moving through the air. Theta over beta climbs, crossing lines we watch sometimes. Alpha fades while delta grows. A quiet storm the spectrum shows. Slow waves waking where none belong. Fragments echo deep and strong. Burden rises, coherence falls. The cortex sends its subtle calls. The fast 3C. Gamma sparks the synchrony thread. Network speaking overhead, but when the phase alignment breaks, a fragile rhythm slowly shakes. Connectivity fades between regions once in silent team. Front to back, the bridge is thin. Signals struggle moving in. Sometimes beta roads grow weak. Processing slows before we speak. Signals beneath the surface flow. Some grow fast, some fade slow. Power tells the spectral tale, but patterns show where systems fail. The slowing signatures. Posterior alpha once ran bright, guiding wakeful neural light. But if the rhythm drifts below the pace the healthy networks know, median frequencies descend. Dominant rhythms start to bend. Beta creeps where alpha stayed, and balance slowly starts to fade. Left temporal whispers low. Posterior ratios trains their flow. The vigilant state. But not all signals speak of disease. Sometimes they describe degrees. Alert when beta currents run. Light shakes when posterior alpha's won. Drowsy when the ratios fall. Micro sleep begins to call. Frontal calm while posterior dreams. Two states meeting at the seams. Transitions flicker in between. A timeline drawn from spectral sheen. The hidden logic. Some markers speak. Some must agree before a pattern's meant to be. A slowing core must lead the way before the system makes it say. Because a single drifting line can mislead the spectral sign. But when the signals join as one, the deeper reading has begun. Signals beneath the surface flow. Patterns form where numbers grow. Not a diagnosis, not a decree. Just the map of what we see. The network. Sometimes roads between the sites glow like quiet city lights. Sometimes links grow thin and slow, breaking pathways long ago. Connectivity shifts the frame, regions drifting out of phase. The story isn't just the wave, but how the signals behave. The interpretation. So we measure power, phase, and flow, but still remember what we know. Algorithms trace the lines, but clinicians read the signs. The spectrum shows the neural art, but meaning lives within the heart. Signals beneath the surface flow. Every rhythm tells us so. Delta, alpha, beta, theta. Maps of mind we navigate. Look beyond the chart and score and hear the signals evermore.